Hi, welcome to Revelwood's Adaptive Planning Framework Series. My name is Ernie Goff, and I'm a solution consultant here at Revelwood. Today, we're going to take a look at event planning for nonprofits. Nonprofits are busy, complex organizations that have a lot of moving parts. Teams are often off doing other jobs, keeping track of other things, and rarely have time to get all of their plans together at one place. This makes it very hard for managers to keep track of the most recent information their teams are providing. Today, I'm going to show you ways to use Workday Adaptive Planning to bring everyone together into one dashboard so that they can plan their events easily and with standard rates based on global assumptions that management provides. This will allow your teams to keep up-to-date information at their fingertips throughout the busy planning process. Why don't we go take a look at Workday Adaptive Planning right now? So let's take a look at how Adaptive can help you with events planning. What we're looking at here is an example of an active dashboard. Adaptive allows you to bring in various elements from your models and combine them on an active dashboard to make it easier for end users to find and plan into the context of their role. Let's take a quick walkthrough and then look at an example of how a user might make a change. To start with, we have chart elements at the top, net cash flow, and a waterfall chart of changes in cash flow to help bring an events planning manager into the broader context of the annual revenue plan for the organization. In the middle of this dashboard, we have an event detail sheet, event revenue and expenses, KPI cards, both of which will allow a user to review the events that are planned for this year and to see changes in event revenue expenses should they update those. And last, in the third section, membership assumptions and membership revenue. Membership assumptions are an assumption sheet in Workday Adaptive Planning that allows users to draw from a globally managed set of rates and changes to make sure that the organization is always using the same reference points throughout its plan. Let's take a quick, this was assembled with the idea that a end user would be able to come in here, take a look at the various contexts, go to their part of the plan, make a change, and with confidence, be sure that that change rolled throughout the rest of the organization. The user would not have to rely on spreadsheets, emails, or any other sort of extraneous materials. They could simply come here, get directly to the information that they needed, make the changes with confidence, and move on to go about their day. How would they do that? Let's take a quick look. If we look at the event revenue, we can see it's $565,000 approximately. Our event planning manager wants to go in and make a change to their plan. So they would simply come in and expand this modeled sheet. This model sheet contains all of the information about the events that the organization is going to do this year. You can see that the event names, start dates, venues, programs, descriptions, advance and main registration numbers, and advanced ticket prices and main ticket prices are all available for your event manager to see. One of the other centrally managed features is that the user can also select from a pre-approved list of programs, which cuts down on typos, changes, updates, and things like that. They can easily associate an event with one program or change that should the event need to change to another program very easily from within their role with confidence. So let's go to that example. Let's say we had some really great success promoting our event, and now our attendees are going to be 700. The user would simply come in, enter that 700, hit save, which calculates that information automatically and spreads it throughout. And we can see that we increased the advanced revenue now to $112,000. And when we collapse that back in, we can see that our event revenue has reflected that change and gone from 565,000 to that 666. The ability to bring all of the relevant information together in one dashboard so that the user maintains context is really, really one of the most powerful collaboration tools in Workday Adaptive Planning. Using Active Dashboards will let you bring your team right into the information that they need, so they can see changes happen as they make them, can have broader context, and can make changes with the confidence that they're drawing from all the approved information that's available to them at that time. So that's it. That's how you would do events planning on Adaptive. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@revelwood.com. Have a great day.